I'm having a video of my ear canal.
好几个人了，
他正看，
What's that? Is that good or
都有
bad?
吗？
那也就一个
啊，去，
万住，
啊，他们是不是一起的？
啊，刚来，
And you're going to do the other one?
给您清理就是180元。
I've never seen inside my ears like that before. How cool. Very cool. Okay, here's my ear.
确定我没整错了？
Cleaning my ear.
给他交流多少
I
钱？
think it looks quite clean, but you know.
啊，他问他多少钱，他说
Give it a
多少
go.
钱多少钱他说 OK。
Saying about the airplane from the flight, weren't it? Oh, no, no, no. Gonna feel a lot better. So,
That's called an ear stone.
I don't know.
You feel
Yeah,
okay?
it's very relaxing.
now it feels good actually. It's handy.
I think my ears are quite good, but not just coming off of there. Looking pretty good. A lot of hairs down there. Amazing.
I knew I had something wrong.
我这边是不？好，你这个好了。
好了，儿子洗好了。
行，我1分钟吧，行吗？几秒钟？
我让他挪一下。
不用，不用，我再给他蹭一下就行。我再给他蹭一下就可以。
光是吧？干嘛呢？
Didn't realize I had so many hairs down my ears.
It is, isn't it?
Very relaxing. It's very relaxing, but my ears are spots of food.
I use them all the time here, but
Yeah.
mine should be like if mine were like clear, like
Very nice though. Oh, there's a little bit down there maybe. A little bit of wax.
So glad I'm getting both done.
I can't tell you how relaxing this is.
What a great time today. This is an epic day.
Fantastic.
Wax I got on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Anytime I ever try with a cockroach,
多少有吗？
comes out usually.
Nothing comes out.
No, no.
It's probably because it's pushing it down.
What's coming out now?
That's called an ear stone.
Very relaxing.